Hi, this is Helen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some easy coasters. And these make really nice hostess gifts or quick gift for, pick a set of them for a friend or for people at work. Somewhere you need a quick gift. This first one I'm going to show you, it's made out of 5-inch squares. You need 5 of them. So you put the pretty side up. You're going to have all the raw edges are going to be meeting. So this is the raw edge. Okay, and this is the fourth one. Raw edge, lay it down. Flip up the first one. Okay. I found it was easier if I put pins in them to keep them in place. And then you sew all the way around the outside. Clip the edges. And then you're going to reach in the middle to turn it. You just turn it inside out. And you have this. You'll have a little hole in there, but it's no big deal. But you can make them for any season. These are Christmas, but it doesn't have to be Christmas. Another, using the same thing, you got your 5 squares, 5-inch squares. But you fold them, instead of folding them in half, first ones we folded in half, I didn't show you that, we folded them in half. This one we're going to fold corner to corner. Same thing, your raw edges. And you want this corner, this corner. This corner, only you have to lift up the edge. It's a little bit harder to get these straight, but once you get them all straight on there, pin them down, sew all the way around the edge, just like we did the other. Clip the edges, corners, excuse me, reach through the middle and turn it. See, well, I guess I've got the other one here. Here we go. This one's been sewn. You clip your edges, your corners, reach in the middle, turn it just like we did the other, and you end up with this. Okay, and I have one more. This one is round. Now, it depends on how big the base of your glass is. These are for stem glasses. They can be just round if you just want them to be. You can even make 4 of these. All this is a circle that has been done like this. So you can actually make 4 of those if you want to and do them just like we did these. But this is the kind that maybe you want to make 4 or 5 different ones, and so people can kind of mark their glasses. So when they slip their stem in here, they know that's theirs. I just used a piece of plastic. Just be sure and measure this is only 4 inches in diameter. So be sure and measure the bottom of your glasses to make sure. Okay, so same thing. Circle. 2 circles in half. Put them raw edge. Pin them down, sew around. And you might need to clip a few places on here so to, I'm pretty sure I did on this one, clip every now and then so that it'll turn smoothly. And then you have your round one. So these are the 3. Very quick, very easy, look very nice. 3 or 4 of them stacked up with ribbons around it as a thank you gift or as a hostess gift. I hope you'll try this and hope you will give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber that you'll subscribe, and hope you have wonderful holidays. Bye-bye.